Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese market continued fluctuating, driven by weaker macro expectations and limited momentum. So what is really happening? Let's break it down. Now, the latest numbers show that China's economy actually held up better than expected in the first quarter. GDP grew by more than 5%. Industrial production in March was up by more than 7%, and the retail sales rose by more than 4%. However, the property market from January to March saw a sharp decline of nearly 10%. While most indicators exceeded market expectations, the continued drop in real estate investment is a growing concern. But here's the twist. Even though most data looks good, the market is starting to worry that stronger numbers could take the pressure off policymakers. In other words, if the economy is doing okay, will the Chinese government roll out more stimulus? That is making the market less confident about future policy support. As for the steel market itself, demand is not picking up much. The production is already running high with the potential to climb even further. That is keeping the supply-demand balance fairly weak. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand went up by nearly 500,000 tons, inventory down by more than 700 tons, and production went up. These look like improvements, but keep in mind, last week seems weak because of the Chinese Tomb Sweeping Day. So, week's improvement is partly due to that lower base. Generally, supply is abundant, while demand is still struggling. So where do we go from here? In the short term, we believe the market trend will continue to be driven by macro developments. Attention should be paid to the evolving tariff dynamics between China and the US, as well as China's domestic policy measures. In the meanwhile, steel demand is expected to arrive at its peak within the next 2 to 3 weeks. And with little support from demand, the market is likely to remain weak and volatile in the near future. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!